Hey guys, welcome to Baldwin House Hobbies. Thanks for watching this video. Hey guys, welcome back. We're gonna go on a second flight of this F-14. I have the 3000 in it right now. We've got a bit of a gusty wind, so I'm hoping to get a little more power out of it with this 3000 with the 50C on it. If this goes okay, we'll switch over to a 2200 4S that I have and see how that works on the plane. Otherwise, let's go ahead and get started. All right, here we go. Come in, kind of try to keep it a little bit slow for you. About as slow as it's going to get today. Ooh, that wind is definitely kicking it around. Now remember guys, this is your yank and bank F-14, so there's no, you got roll, you got up and down, that's it. You got no yaw. So, doing the best we can. Here we go with the wing sweep in 3, 2, 1. How fast we're going to be going. That thing is quick, especially with that tailwind on it. With the, it's still quick with that headwind. We're going to come back out. Let's see here. We're going to take it and we're going to go up and roll. And you watch it fall there. That wasn't bad. It's pretty good. There's that wing out, nice and steady, right down the middle here. That wind is pulling it up a little bit. I might trim it down so we can get some straight video here. All right, let's see what we got coming around. landing on that one. That was great. Again, as I said, we took the gear off of this so that we can make sure that we can belly land it on this field. If we had a paved field, I'd probably use the landing gear. But other than that, I absolutely love the way this plane flies. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys come back to see the next one. We'll try to get some more acrobatics in on this next one now that I'm getting a little more comfortable with the airplane.